What is up and welcome to another video. So I made a short video yesterday about the Bitcoin's chart, guys. And on that video, I said that the dump could not be over yet. So this was the video posted yesterday. If you haven't watched it, feel free to check it out. I've talked about the possible bounce target for this current support, guys. So we got a beautiful bounce, short-term bounce here, and I think the dump could not be over yet, guys. So what you can see, we are still in an overall downtrend here from the 71 or $72,000 level. So there's one question here in our Discord community. After I watched your video, is still one question. What will happen with the altcoins by this drop till $40,000? And if you were break even at the moment with your spot position, would you hold or sell? So I'm gonna answer this question in this video, but again, this is just my own opinion and should not be considered as a financial advice. I'll give you my own view of what I think the next possible price action, and of course, what will happen to the rest of the altcoins if Bitcoin dropped to 40K. But this is just my own opinion, and I could be wrong, guys. So first of all, this $40,000 target is not my target. This is just what I see on the chart, guys. So based on Wyckoff distribution phase theory, we have an uptrend here. After an uptrend, there will be a distribution zone where the big players in the market would probably take profit on this level. And that is why we might see some correction after this distribution phase. And according to Wyckoff distribution phase theory, the ideal breakout target of this after this distribution, so right now we are still on this distribution phase or sideways channel, guys. We are still here. We haven't seen the real drop yet. We are still in this sideways consolidation zone. So if you're going to extend this channel right here, we are still in the bottom. We are right now on the support, guys. But once we break down below the support, according to Wyckoff distribution theory, the target will be around this level right here. So this was the previous start of the uptrend. We have a consolidation zone here. After a consolidation, we have seen this beautiful uptrend to the upside, which gives us almost 85% rally from $40,000. And now this is going to be the breakout target just in case we break down below the support. As what you can see on the chart, we don't have much trade on this level, guys. So once we break this level, probably we are going to see some huge candle to the downside. But that is just what I see on the chart. So to answer this question, what will happen with the altcoins by this drop to 40K? So in my own opinion, based on the previous data, Bitcoin is still the market leader, guys. If Bitcoin drop here, then majority of the altcoins are going to bleed, guys. They are going to bleed faster than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drop to $40,000, majority of the altcoins are going to drop by 30 to 50% from their current price level. So this, from the support level, this is going to be around 30% drop. And you know, in the bull market, if you have been in the previous bear and bull market, you know that this correction is normal for Bitcoin, guys. In the past bull market, we have seen, so look at this. This is the 2020 bull market, guys. So from $10,000, we have seen Bitcoin rally up to 64,000. But along the way, there are some huge corrections, guys. Look at this. One correction right here is around 30%. Another one right here. Look at this. This is another 25%. So this huge correction are actually normal during the bull market. So this is one of the major correction here. So after that huge drop from $64,000 This is around 55%. The market actually consolidate after this huge drop, guys. So after a huge drop, the market consolidate and prepared for another leg up here to break the previous all-time high of $64,000, which we have seen Bitcoin rally up to $69,000. And right now, if we are going to measure this move right here from the $72,000, that is just around 45%, guys. So that is going to be a normal correction for Bitcoin. And if you're going to zoom out, we still have this beautiful trend line here. We're not even breaking this bigger support trend line for Bitcoin. So I think the 40,000 target is still likely, and that will not invalidate our long-term bullish uptrend here. So even if Bitcoin dropped to 40,000, we could still expect that final leg up here, probably up to 2025. So right now we are on the first half of 2024. So I think we still have enough time to do this kind of price action. Let's just try to measure the possible date range from the current. So this will probably be around like 84 days, guys, just according to this kind of price action and data here, what we see on the chart. So this is still, we still have enough time for this kind of price action. So probably if Bitcoin dropped to $40,000, majority of the altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin. Probably majority of them are going to drop faster, guys. So this is around 45% drop. So probably majority of the altcoins are going to drop by 50% or even 60% or even 70%. So that is going to be normal. And if I am holding and if I am on break even right now, so it depends actually, guys. It depends on your plan, guys. If you're planning to hold on for long term, you can just DCA. I would DCA if I'm break even right now. If Bitcoin will drop to 40,000, that is an opportunity to DCA and make my entry even lower. So if I'm holding for long term, I would DCA and probably take profit once we reach that final leg up. But that is not an assurance. That is not a guarantee. This price action is just based, of course, on the previous data of Bitcoin. So if you are going to look at the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, we are actually in a pretty good uptrend, guys. We are in an overall uptrend. So if you're going to zoom out, if you're holding for long term, we're still in an overall uptrend. And look at this. I have made a beautiful top mid channel here. So as what you can see, we are on the middle zone right now. So previous cycle, we have this top at 20,000. We have seen Bitcoin correct down to 3,000 level, bounce to the mid zone, guys. Mid zone at around $40,000. Again, drop to the previous low here, and again to the next bull market or another Bitcoin cycle here from $3,000 or $4,000. Bitcoin rallied up to $64,000. So that's the market cycle. And right now we are on this middle zone, guys. So if Bitcoin drop to 40,000, I think that is going to be a beautiful price action, guys, to complete this cycle right here. I don't even expect Bitcoin to go up this cycle to 200,000 level. So I've seen some of the influencers talking about $1 million target or 500,000, 200,000. I remain conservative, and my target for this cycle is just around 95 to 100,000, guys. So look at this. This is just my target right here. So I have already sold Bitcoin, but I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin long term, guys. I still believe that Bitcoin is going to continue to move higher in the future. That is why MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, keep on hodling Bitcoin, guys. So if you're following Michael Saylor or MicroStrategy, they actually just DCA, guys. They have bought Bitcoin at the top 67. They have bought Bitcoin at 15 or 16,000. They have bought Bitcoin at 32. They are still buying Bitcoin at 65. So their plan is to hold for long term. So this is going to be just a normal correction, guys. If Bitcoin drop back to 40,000, that will still be according to this previous price action, guys. So I'm just basing my analysis on the Bitcoin's previous price action. So that's my opinion on this question right here. So I hope I have answered your question. So let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comment section down below. Do you think Bitcoin is going to drop back to $40,000, or are we going to see Bitcoin continue to rally from this current sideways channel? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would like to hear from you guys. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you won't miss out in any of my crypto and trade updates. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.